Hello guys, and welcome to another YouTube video. So today I'm pretty much just going to be showing you guys really quick just how to check and if needed replace your engine air filter. It's a pretty simple thing to do. I'm gonna check mine right now, so I figured, hey, why not make a quick tutorial. So pretty much what you're going to want to do is just under the hood, this is your engine air filter right here. You're just gonna pop these tabs open right here and another one right here, and then you're just gonna pull that up, and that's your engine air filter right there. You just pull that out and then kind of take a look at it. So mine's is still like not super dirty. It's like still okay, so I'm just gonna put it back in there, and yeah, so you just pretty much just same way it came out, same way it goes back in. Make sure you just put that in place, put the tabs back on, and that's it. You're all done. That's how you check and, if needed, replace your engine air filter. Okay, thank you guys, and also if you can, just please subscribe to the channel. This would help the channel a lot, and leave a like if you can. That would also help a lot. Thank you. See you on the next one. Bye guys.